Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this beautiful sunflower coaster, a perfect handmade piece to brighten up your table or gift to someone special. This pattern is beginner friendly, so don't worry if you're new to crochet. Just follow along and you'll have a lovely coaster in no time. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Burt crochet projects. Let's get started. Start with a magic ring. Work 12 double crochets DC into the ring, pull the ring tight and slip stitch into the first DC to close the round. Tip: make sure your stitches are not too tight so the coaster lays flat. Great job! You've just completed the base of your coaster. Let's move on to the next round. For round 2, work 2 double crochets in each stitch around for a total of 24 stitches, then finish with a slip stitch to the first DC. Amazing! You've made your coaster bigger. Keep going, you're doing great. This round follows a pattern. 1 DC in the first stitch, then 2 DC in the next stitch. Repeat all the way around for a total of 36 stitches, then slip stitch to the first DC to close. Look at that! Your coaster is really taking shape. Let's add some beautiful petal details. Now we're making the petal foundation. 2 double crochets in the first stitch, chain 2, 2 more double crochets in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches, and repeat all the way around. Finish with a slip stitch to the first DC. Tip: keep the chain 2 spaces loose to help shape the petals evenly. You're doing fantastic. Now let's give our sunflower its final touch. For the last round, start with a single crochet SC in the first stitch, then in the chain 2 space, work 4DC, chain 2, 4DC, followed by SC in the next stitch, and repeat this pattern all the way around. Finish with a slip stitch. And there you have it. Your sunflower coaster is complete. Doesn't it look amazing? I hope you had fun making this beautiful coaster. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. I'd love to see your finished coasters, so feel free to share them in the comments or tag me on social media. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.